Hi, this is Alex Acosta from Generation Esports. Today I'll walk you through step-by-step how to fully register for a tournament. Let's start with returning competitors before diving into the tutorial for new users. For new users, we recommend skipping ahead for a more curated guide. Now then, if you've competed with us before or have a team and a roster that is ready, registering for a tournament is easier than ever. First, you'll go over to the left-hand navigation and click on Tournaments. Next, you'll find yourself on the Discovery page for new tournaments. There are a few different ways to sort for the tournament you're looking for. You can either sort by joined communities, which will sort by the communities you've already joined, or you can sort by community-free tournaments. These are relevant for tournaments like Youth Winners Circle. For this video, I'm going to sort by joined communities to search for the HSCL Spring Major Rocket League Tournament. Next, we'll click here because registration will happen on this page. You'll now see registration in the top left of your screen. Here, you can click for the first step, which is to select your team. Now, you should see your team highlighted in yellow. This means your team is eligible. Select your team of choice, and from there, you'll see all your created rosters. For example, next, I'll select Rocket League Team Black.
For some tournaments, including HSCL Rocket League, you will be prompted to select a division.
Select your division and hit continue. Registration is now complete. Easy enough, huh? Finally, you'll go to the left-hand side of the screen and go to Dashboard. To compete, look under Today's Playtimes on your game day and enter the queue. Best of luck from there. For users new to our platform, you're in luck. The new registration flow makes it easier than ever to get started. First, head to the left-hand tab and select Tournaments. Here, you'll see all the tournaments Generation Esports has to offer. To search for a specific tournament like HSCL, search for HSCL, and a list of tournaments with the criteria will populate. Select the tournament of your choice. The entire registration process takes place from this tournament page. Next, the top left of your screen will indicate how to begin registration. For this tournament, I don't have a team or a registered roster. Here's how we can change this from the screen. Select Create Your Team. Now, you'll see your newly created team. Select your roster in yellow.
For some tournaments, including HSCL Rocket League, you will be prompted to select a division.
After selecting a division, if applicable, please select Continue, and you'll be informed that your registration is now pending because you need to meet certain requirements. Fortunately, tracking what steps you need to do next are simple, and they're even sent to your email.
And are tracked on the dashboard, which is what we'll look at next. To find any pending registrations, go to the dashboard, and under Today's Playtimes, you'll see pending registrations. To see more details, click the down arrow. These next steps are crucial to complete. The yellow bar at the top shows how long until registration is closed. As you can see, I'm not part of HSCL. To become part of HSCL, click the Communities tab on the left side. You'll see HSCL. Click Learn More, and then click on Join. From here, you can fill out an application to join HSCL. Once finished, that box will be checked off.
For more information on managing your team and building your roster, please view our registration guide for your appropriate community.